I will be disappointed if we don't take any steps towards it. But if it doesn't happen, I won't, be as upset as I will be if I don't get 20,000 subscribers. I really want 20,000 subscribers. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting. So today's video is going to be just a chit chat. I don't know if you're supposed to do this or if it's a good idea to do this, but I wanted to share my New Year's resolutions with you guys. I feel like this is the first time that I'm on YouTube and the new year has come, and I feel like if I tell you guys what my New Year's resolutions will be, maybe I'll stick to them, because people have a really hard time sticking to New Year's resolutions. So I thought maybe it would be a good idea for me to share what I want to do for the new year, and maybe it'll keep me motivated to do it, and maybe some of that stuff I'll do on camera with you guys. I didn't write anything down. I just kind of know a few things that I want to do, so I'm just going to share those with you. So basically this will probably be like my top 5 things that I really want to commit to, really want to make sure that I do, and really want to make sure I achieve this year and are a success. So here are my top 5 New Year's resolutions. So number 1, I really want to lose weight this year. Ever since I moved out to Las Vegas, I've been gaining so much weight because I'm here and I want to taste everything. There are so many restaurants that I've never been to, that being fast food, dine-in, everything. There are tons of places that I want to go, and I just love, I'm such a tourist, so I love going everywhere and tasting new foods, and people always bring us food. My husband works for our apartment complex, so people know who we are, and they're always feeding us, me and the kids, and so I'm always eating. So I want to get really strict with my diet, and I want to be a little more disciplined. I want to lose a couple pounds and get back to, not high school weight, because that's just ridiculous, but I want to lose a few pounds. So I'm gonna try to stick to myself, and maybe I'll have a fitness section in my channel where I will tell you guys what I'm doing, kind of keep you updated with everything. And yeah, so I'm filming this on the 31st, so I have not started. I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm probably gonna pig out today, but yeah, I'm gonna discipline myself and try to do a lot better and try to lose some weight, try to lose some pounds. This is the time to start getting bathing suit ready. I don't really care about that, but I want to lose a few pounds. So that's number 1. Number 2, I want to be consistent on this YouTube channel. So when my husband and I started our YouTube channel, we were really consistent. We were really good with everything. We were doing really good. We were banging out videos, making sure that everything was going right, and we were so committed to it, and we're still committed to it. We just have not been doing as well with it, just because his job has been, a little more demanding than normal, and me starting this channel has taken some time, which that is my fault, but I want to make sure that I'm consistent with this. Excuse me. I want to make sure that I'm consistent with this channel. I know that it can get draining and hard, and especially if you're not seeing the kind of progress that you want to see. Being on YouTube can be hard. So I post Monday through Friday. I think I'm going to start Monday through Saturday and just take Sundays off. So that means that I really have to grind and really have to make sure that I'm getting videos up and making sure that I'm filming and everything, and making sure that I'm on time with all things. But I want to, do this. I want this to be my job. So that's my goal. Hopefully by the end of the year, this can be our main source of income. So number 3, I want to travel. I want to take at least 2 vacations this year. I didn't grow up taking a lot of vacations. My husband and I don't take a lot of vacations. He and I have taken 2 vacations away from our kids, and that's the entire time that we've been together. We've only taken 2 vacations away from our kids. One was not even really a vacation. It was my aunt passed away, so we had to go out of the state for the funeral, and we did not take the kids with us. But you know, it was nice to have a little bit of time away from each other, away from the kids, to be able to go and do that. But so technically we've only had one vacation away from the kids, and that was to Tennessee before we moved out here. But I want to travel, even if it's within the states. We've been to California a few times with the kids, and I don't even care if the vacations are with the kids. I just want to take vacations. I really want to take a cruise. I'm not gonna, I think that's thinking big, but hey, I don't see why I couldn't be able to do it. But I really want to take vacations. I really want to get my husband and just go. Like, I want to travel. So that's one thing that I am praying to be able to do, and even to be able to vlog it for this channel. I'm using this channel of excuses to be able to do stuff this year. So I really want to travel this year. I want to take at least 2 vacations, like big vacations. And I'm not talking like a day or 2 away. I mean like 3 to 5 days vacations twice this year would be perfect. And I think it's what my husband and I need to kind of get back to where we were when we started our relationship. So it will definitely help. And even if the kids are there, it's still fun. It's still being able to do something fun. But I really want to travel this year. So what was that? Number 3? Number 4 is I want to reach. This might really be like going out there with this. I might be stretching with this one, and I might be asking for a bit much, but I think if I'm consistent and I do all the things that I say that I want to do, I think it's possible. I really want to hit 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I think it's possible. I think it's very doable. I think if I stay consistent and I stay positive and, you know, show support and support is given, I think it's possible. I really want to hit 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If I hit 10, that would be like life. But I really want to hit 20,000 subscribers. And I know that's like a weird number. Like, nobody's ever like striving to get 20,000. It's always like 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, or 50,000. But I think 20,000 would be the perfect number for me. And I think that's what I want to hit, because my husband and I are so close to 10,000 right now. And it's like, I know that that's possible. And we did that pretty much in a year. So because I know that that's possible to do in a year, even with our inconsistency, I really want to do it. I really want to hit 20,000. I want to double what he and I did. So I kind of want to make it a competition. Like, I can do a little better than what he and I did, because he feels like that's his channel. So that's a whole nother conversation. But I really want to hit 20,000 subscribers this year. So y'all gotta help me. All the people who watch, just hit the subscribe button. Just help your girl get to her goal. Help me reach my goal and show my husband that I can do it, because I really don't think he thinks I can do it. Like, he's like, you're good, but I don't think you can do it. Like, not in a negative way, but like, he just feels like the world that we live in, it's kind of hard. But I think we can do it. I say we because we're a community, and I love y'all, and y'all love me because you're here watching this. So 20,000 subscribers, guys. So my 5th and final top 5 goals or resolutions, whatever, for 2019. I want to have another baby. And I know this is going to sound weird, so I'll be completely honest. I have my tubes tied. I got them tied after having my last child. And my husband and I have been having a lot of conversations about it. And sorry if you guys can hear my kids. They're screaming and yelling and being ridiculous in their room. But we've been talking about it, and this is something that we really want. So, you know, we're looking into getting my tubes untied and going through that process. And so that's something that I really want to do. Like, by Christmas, I want to be able to announce that I got pregnant. But fingers crossed. I don't know how serious we're going to take it now. I mean, we've been talking about it. It's been a serious thing. And so, yeah, My parents want me to have another baby. They want a baby girl. I really want a daughter. So if we don't, I want to adopt. So I want to get into looking at having another baby or adopting a baby girl. So yeah, those are the things that I really want to accomplish for 2019, and I think it's all doable. I think 2019 is the year to accomplish all your dreams and make everything happen and be the best that you can be and be the happy you that you want to be. So yeah, I hope that you all have sat down and thought about things that you want to do for the year and things that you want to accomplish for your life and for your, goals and careers and whatever. So those are things that I really want to accomplish. I really, really want to do these things. The fifth thing I will be disappointed if we don't take any steps towards it. But if it doesn't happen, I won't, be as upset as I will be if I don't get 20,000 subscribers. I really want 20,000 subscribers. That should be like my number one. But actually my number one is I want to lose weight. I really want to lose weight. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section some of your 2019 resolutions, some of the things that you have planned for your life for this upcoming year. But yeah, let's make this a great year. If you're looking forward to having a good year, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know with a thumbs up and let me know with by hitting the subscribe button. I love you all so much for watching. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. Help me hit my goal for the year. And yeah, I love you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.